gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of in the icy chain. While you claim that you're rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name.
We'll be providing meter readers to companies in Oman.
A young man in his 40s who mostly appears with the traditional Omani dress despite his passion for buying and collecting clothes. He is fluent in English. It is not paradoxical if you know that this man is Qais Al-Khunji. A few years ago, the Arabian Business Network ranked him among the top 40 businessmen under the age of 40 after he became one of the most famous Arab entrepreneurs by establishing several companies and business alliances. But if you're looking for irony in this young man declared the failure of the first company he had opened when he said he did not understand the market.
I've started a company called Paise United Enterprises. The company did not take off well. So I would say it was a very important step of my life. I've learned from my mistakes.
However, it only took a few years for Qais Al-Khunji to reappear. But this time,
definitely not easy. So for you, the only message I would say is don't give up on your passion. Stick to your goals and follow your passion, and definitely believe in yourself. One day you will definitely achieve your